bam sizawuthina ebantwini.
Imali yabantu.
Yini bawo? Ye-society. Yo, amakhathona ayi.
Imana angiqale la as ama fans eKaizer Chiefs ayikho into esingayenzeli yona le club le ayikho into esingayenzeli yona le club le siyayithenga imjezi siyawathenga amathikithi siyahamba kuyibuka no matter ukuthi idlala kephi siyahamba sigibele ngemali zethu siyoyisupport ngoba siyayithanda le club but the club doesn't care about us. It doesn't. iKaizer Chiefs ayinendaba nama fans, they don't care. And umntawunga uyakwazi lokho and uthule kuba nemess iclub iwa phambi kwethu sonke siyibuka. Namhlanje bekunedebe sahamba sathenga imjezi sathenga amathikithi sagibela amatekisi safika estadium soyisupport sithi sobuka iteam kanti sobuka uChesley edlala yedwa uChesley bedlala yedwa today besobuka umdlalo yedwa. Idabi abadlali bebengenendaba, they don't even know ukuthi yini idabi labadlali bebedlala laphana. They don't know, they don't care. For them, James, it's a match. Oh no, we're going to friend. No, idabi. Sidlani Pirates, and you cannot afford to lose against Pirates. And hayi not for 3-0. Not for 3-0. Angidlule lapho. O coach bethu basafuna nithimini. Basafuna siyasiprovoka ke manje mntawungu. Uyasiprovoka ke manje. Basafuna labo coach teamini. Basafunani? Bafunani? Uyasizwa njalo sikhala ngocoach but uyabayeka. Unendaba. The club management yaKaizer Chiefs ayifuni ukusizwa manje at this point. Ayifuni ukusizwa. Sayithanda le team but yona ayithandi. That's the truth. Sayithanda iKaizer Chiefs but yona ayithandi reciprocate. They don't. Enough is enough. Mtawunga stop. Now usuyasukela. Siyithulele. Siyinhlekiso emphakathini njengamanje. But we love this team. Ngisayithanda even after today, but changes need to be made. Enough is enough, Mtawunga. Enough is enough. Prove to South Africa yonke that you are the biggest club. Prove. Enough is yenza kumele ukwenze.
You think Ngatata anyone from being an assistant to Tagazo coach, the biggest club, biggest club in the country, the biggest club in Southern Africa, followed by people from everywhere. And then when are you going to give the fate of that club to people who have never coached at that level, who have never been coaches at a big team? Hi, Kaze has coached some games. Hi, Kaze coached Burundi. Is Burundi the same as Kaizer Chiefs? It's a country, but does it mean it's bigger than the impact, the fan base of Kaizer Chiefs? Hell no. Hi, he has a CAF C license, he has a CAF D license, has a CAF A license, has a CAF Pro license, he has a Euro. I do not care, because even with your license, if you have not coached a team like Kaizer Chiefs,
Aibo.
Iyaslaba iPirates ezofana. Iyaslaba. Yes, Emvana yaslaba. Emvana ashesa ukuyingane, emvana ukuyingane. Iyabukisa nje iPirates mfana. Yazi mfana nenye into esikhathi nenduku ePirates ayinathi ukuphapha, ayinathi
Mawena kuthanda ukukhuluma.
Yaslaba iPirates yezwa. Ha. hey yazi bana ngikhathele mfana like angazi yaslap Pirates bafana abafana isikhiphele isibhongo mfana kithi yazi anganoma umfana yo
molweni dithunywe ngabalandeli beOrlando Pirates njenge speak person sabo ukuthi ndizo explain ba kutheni sinibethe yo kuthiwa nasibetha kangaka abantu beChiefs bagamba hayi bona sibetha kangaka engathi asingabo makhelwane nasibethe ngathi sibethwa yi-mob justice hayi madoda why nizosibetha kangaka engathi kubanjwe isela liseba emzini wabantu shaba bakadiya shaba sanibetha ngithunywa ke ngokuba ndizo-explain uba zonke ezi goals zine-purpose yazo yayibo u-1 ngulowo ukuthi masiwin igame sikwazi usetyhora unumber 1 wethu sithole u3 points ngogoal number 1 ke lo goal number 2 and number 3 ipurpose yakhona ayifani neka-1 ipurpose yalapha ileyo ukuvala umlomo uba niyayazi bakulobola kunento okuthiwa yimvula mlomo ebholeni kunento okuthiwa yimvala mlomo u2 no3 zimvala mlomo uba niyabona ngokwamakhosi ahumble ngoku
Lapha eBhayibhelini kunombuzo ewake wabuza uPaul ebuza ibandla laseGalatia uthi madoda kanti nina manje seniloyo ubani manje niloyo ubani yazi why kade ababuza lo mbuzo because labantu laba kade ba grand lapha kade ba right labantu manje umangela ukuthi sekwenzakaleni manje lo mbuzo lo umbuzo engifuna ukubhekisa kwiKaizer Chiefs madoda niloyo ubani ngoba phela nabeni right nini isizini siqale kahle sivulela indunga bo 1-0 bethu ama clean sheet left and right sithatha 3 points siphuma sehamba manje seniphenduke kanjani nabayilento eniyiyo
ayihambe lezi zinto la eSouth Africa ngaphinde ibuye lezi zinto ekanabi lezi ubona ngama conference azo ukuthi azazi nokuthi zi-too emotional i-question ne-question azikwazi ukuyiphendula abafana bakamtawunge mina ngiba-understand ukuthi sibenzeni eSouth Africa ngiba-understand ukuthi kanti senzeni engaka kubo abathenga ama-player bathatha izinto engathengwa umuntu bazoyifaka ku-team yethu uke wayibonaphi idabi engenayo i-shots on target from iKaizer Chiefs noma iPirates idlala kanjani sihlezi ne-shot on target abadlalela ibench laba aba-understand nix
Kaizer Chiefs hayi nesinyela ngo guys hayi no like hayi nesinyela ngo ngoku hayi ayiyo le ngamasandi wantona kadlalwa pha like akhona ba English no ayikhona English lento bidlalwa pha andiyazi noma ngayikhumsha kanjani ngamasende straight not so long ago ni post ububhanqa phansi it was a tough day in the office yantoni idlala igake ebaleni thetha ngeoffice laba bantu bathetha ngeoffice tough day in the office ntoni abantu bekhupha imali Jesus as we prepare no niyikhumsha njani nonsense edlalwa pha like ikhumshe kanjani like like no Google ngabhideka nje ukuchaza nje le game besidlala nina nichaza njani le game ba okay dust ourselves ayisuki dust okay nkosi ayisuki dust akho dust manzi sedakeni yona nedust sedakeni ubone la bro yafa
Makuzi.
Hey benginethemba zija. Ithini yona indlondlo manje ibuza ithi yayiyokwenzana manje into Kaizer Chiefs.
Ushuthi hey bengibethembile otolika Masimba leta bayenzini.
Yabona nje mfethu mase sikhuluma ngegame yonke iKaizer mfethu ayisihloniphi iKaizer Chiefs ayibahloniphi ngisho abalandeli naye ayihloniphi uqobo. Yabona nje mfethu i-approach ye-game ibidakiwe vele from the start bekumsangano we-setup leyana bekumsangano we-setup. Yabona nje mfethu uNgcobo kumele sibone from the last game ukuthi uNgcobo akekho nje fit enough ukuthi adlale ama-game eKaizer right now. Uluza mshisi uluza amabhola constantly and abamaki bamavila bonke laba badlali labantu. Tell me why ulile baqala igame azayiqeda engenzi lutho. La mshisi kuthe ku 97 ube umile engajulukile engenalutho kodwa uqala igame uzayiqeda. And awungitshela ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs why niphendula isibelebele istar. Uzuthola iman of the match nje nimphendula istar why? Univalile man. Wabavala mfethu ishipi sokugcina sosibelebele wabavala wendoda. Bengiqala mina ukubona igame nje yeKaizer. Yazi idabi be one sided from the start, from the first minute to the 90th minute. iKaizer nje ifile the whole game. And shout out to Eden McCarthy udlalile la fana udlale kahle.
Ufuna kuwina kudabi ufaka Bruce Fuma. Ufaka Bruce Fuma wena. Uthi hayi khena mfana wami ukuthembile. Ufaka Bruce Fuma wena. Lodlala emadabo ngokuthula. Wadliwa wonke wena mfaka. Ufuna kuwina ufaka Inacio Miguel. Umuntu lohlula ma clean sheet azuzi defender lengathi ukutshayi clean sheet. Ulisapi? Ayikhansele le nto ayikhanselwe. Athi team le. Funeral cover le. Ayikhanselwe. Hawu.
Yo. Bathi Chiefs funeral cover. Sebafethu sekuseni manje like bengalaleki and I was like let me just make part 2 because when I do part 1 was not making like wengenzi kahle on YouTube. I don't know why, but I cool ama views awangwathola. I don't know why. Lately YouTube has been acting weird on my side, but that's okay. Into nje ngifuna ukisho mina okuningi ngikushilo part 1. If you want to hear what I had to say you can go to watch part 1 ne. Into nje ngifuna ukisho about this whole game ukuthi into engithandile ukuthi after the game when they interviewed uMasindi Nemtajela about backlash from the social media nokuthi how did he take it, like you can see it in his face ukuthi azange impact like azange imthinte yena azange imthinte because like you can see in his face ukuthi like he's still the same as Masindi, he's still confident wasithemba and uyasho ukuthi like a team in vele like they always back each other like basupportana. It's a team, it's a team like by team bahlangene bra. And lento lethi ngijabulile it made me happy because abanye abantu they were saying ukuthi coach dressing room iluzile ama player wekho happy, and sure you understand like some players like may not be happy like Okablo Dlamini because of game time, but I think like it caught the team like ama players lawa adlalayo bra. I feel like most of them are happy because phela sikwazi ukuthi barely uma ngekho happy and then kube ngathi team yonke ngekho happy yabo. So into le impetting ingenze ngabona ukuthi like we still like a team and we're still like a team that left challenge for a league, and for lento le impethu like really made me happy. And watching uMakgopa come in, scoring, dancing after the game, I was like, yeah, we need to Makgopa. Even though I don't rate him that much, get derby, start to Makgopa. We needed to start Makgopa ahead of Mbuti Mapeta. I don't care what you say. Makgopa needed to start the game. But the fact that you won 3-0, fair, and he came on and he scored, fair game. So, yeah, that's all I can say for now. But if you know what I had to say about the game, go watch part 1. And thank you for everybody who watches my videos, everybody who subscribed so far. And yeah, see you guys. I don't know, I might make part 3. Who knows, bruh? I win.